guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another Skims unboxing. Today we're going to do things a little differently. I'm going to be showing you guys how I go about styling these particular pieces from her new lace Pointelle collection. Let me tell you, when it comes to me and lace, since I've been a baby, I've had a lace phobia. So when I saw that she dropped or that she was dropping a new line, I was like, oh no, it literally gave me the heebie-jeebies to even look at the lace. So I got all the long sleeve shirts. I'm going to show you guys how I style them, and I will still tell you guys my honest opinion about what I got so far, whether or not I think you guys need it or not. I haven't tried it on, and I'm actually really interested. So if you guys are interested in seeing today's video, keep watching.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So let's just start off by the skim shirt that I have on. I have on the Fits Everybody t-shirt right now. I actually just got finished filming me trying on different Skims shirts for you guys because I've gotten a ton of requests to do that. This is the copper one from the Fits Everybody collection, and to be honest, I really love the color. It's super cute. But let's get into the first one. So the first one is the black, and if you guys can't see, it says Skims. You probably can see it through my makeup. It says Skims all over it. It's black, it's got buttons, and to be honest, I'm actually happy that I got a size medium because I feel like if I would have gotten a size large, the medium low-key already looks big. So styling wise, I'm thinking yellow sunglasses, these leggings. I know the leggings are really loud, but I think with the black, it will go nice. Green Louis Vuitton bag and these Prada shoes. I'm gonna try it on and I'll let you guys know my thoughts on this Skims. BRB. Okay guys, so honestly, when it comes to the size medium, I definitely could have sized up. Even though it's fitting really cute. I mean, it goes all the way down, but I hope that when I wash it, it doesn't shrink. I'm really here for the black shade. I love black. Black is always my go-to color. So do I think that you guys need this little long sleeve shirt? If you don't have anything like it, you know what I mean? If you already have a long sleeve shirt that looks like this, then by all means, no, you don't need it. But I actually think it's cute. But what I don't like is, so how I have to keep pulling it forward. You know what I mean? I have to keep pulling it up because my bralette seems to kind of get in the way, but I still do like this size. If you guys can hear my daughter and my husband are in the other room playing really loudly. I don't know how the large would have fit, if I would have appreciated the large, but I think that if you don't like your clothes fitting too tight, you want to wear it more like a cardigan, then definitely size up. But otherwise, it's fitting like a super cute t-shirt. You guys ask me all the time when it comes to temperature wise. You could wear this in the summer. If I had on some short shorts, I could get away with still wearing this. But when it comes to keeping me warm, this isn't it's not thick. It's not like the thickest quality shirt. It's a nice quality, mind you, but it's not thick. It's not something that I can wear. It's sunset next to the beach and it's getting cold and I'm gonna have this on. Is it gonna keep me warm? No, but is it gonna help? Yes. I am here. I think that the black is low-key cute. Definitely gonna keep the black. The next one that I picked up was the sky color, and I only picked this one up because I recently got a bunch of her other stuff in the color sky. I got the size medium, you guys, and I'm thinking this outfit, we're going to do mid maxi skirt. You guys, I've had this forever. I don't ever take off my tags, but I have a silky maxi skirt, black sunnies, and I think we do the Rick Owens. These are the clown boots. Mind you, this low-key would have been cute with this outfit, or we could do the Balenciagas. I'm thinking these ones will probably be more respectable, so let's try on outfit number 2. You guys, when it comes to this blue one, it's actually super cute. As you guys can see, I kind of have it split in the middle and then I tied it in a little knot. It's so cute. I was not expecting for this blue to pop off the way it did. I just paired it with a little Chanel backpack, some cute little accessories, and this outfit is a vibe. I think that it will still be super cute with some high-waist jeans, but I don't know. When it comes to the sizing of the medium, low-key, I feel like I wish that I would have gotten the large. I don't know how the large would have fit, mind you, but I think that my whole point is I just be wanting it to touch all the way down my wrist, and I feel like this one in particular kind of does not. But overall, I was not expecting to like this blue as much as I do, and just the contrast with the blue and the black is just so cute, and I think that this blue is going to be cute with other colors, and I just love the look of it. And I just have it tied in a little tied in a little knot. You guys, it's a vibe. Like, or of course you can, you know, have it down, button it all the way up if you guys so choose to. But like I said, I was not expecting this blue color to pop off the way it did. The last outfit, because this is the last color that I got, you guys, I had to pick up the pink. We got that bubblegum pink shade because it was so cute. Of course, I got it in a size medium. To be honest, this outfit is gonna be like a run errands kind of go. Checkered pink pants that I think will go nice with it. And then we have the Adidas Bad Bunnies, which the pinks are off. But I think when we put it together, it's gonna be cute. So let's hop out. And then we have these pink low sunglasses that I got from Amazon. I'll link it below if you guys are interested. Yeah, I'm gonna try on this, but I really wasn't expecting this this blue to be so cute. And mind you guys, the blue one, however, definitely does, you can see it says Skims, like in real life, you can see that it says Skims all over it. Yeah, so with this blue one, you can see that it says Skims all over it. With the black one, which is a darker shade, you could not see that it said Skims all over it. So if you don't want, you know, your clothes saying Skims all over it, definitely opt for the black one. Do you guys like my door? I did the door, I did the wall all by myself. I did these paintings all by myself. You girl's an artiste. But let's try on the pink one and we'll be. You guys, if we're being fair, are these glasses a distraction? Do I need to put them up? Oh, you guys, wait a minute, I'm hot. The pink fits perfectly. Maybe because I don't have it unbuttoned right now. Everything, it goes a little further down on my wrist. My bra isn't peeking through. Maybe it's the fact that I don't have it cocked open like I did the last 2 times, but the pink actually fits perfectly, unless it's just the sizing isn't consistent within the 2 other colors. Wasn't expecting to like this bubblegum pink as much as I do because it's a really bright pink. Yet it's a pink that I feel like is gonna be easy to style. Minus the fact that I kept this outfit monochromatic and styled it with other shades of pink. They're not perfect, but I'm actually here for it. I was not expecting to like all of the items because, like I said, anything screaming lace, I don't want no part. I don't want no part in it, like, at all. But everything that I got was super cute, and like I state, like, all the time when I don't get everything, if everything is as cute as this, I feel like you would definitely enjoy the collection. If you like lace, little tank tops with lace, little leggings with lace, then this is going to be a collection for you. But me personally, I hate lace, so I decided to opt for everything else that didn't have lace. Mind you, I didn't get the purple shade because I have a purple cardigan that looks just like it, so I have been doing a better job. Mind you, I have a super supportive husband who will allow me to get anything that I want. But it's just like, for me, if I know for a fact that I already have a bajillion items that look like something, I'm not going to continue to stuff my wardrobe, because 9 times out of 10 I'm not going to return the item. So the only reason why I didn't get the purple, mind you, the purple was super cute, I already have a purple cardigan. Yeah, but I actually like these shirts. I think that it's cute. I think that they are thick enough to be shirts to keep you warm, but they're not thick enough to be a cardigan. Yet you can get the look of a cardigan with the shirt, you know what I mean? Like, if you wanted to wear like a little sundress and throw this on like a cardigan, just unbutton it all the way, you definitely could get that. I think that black probably would be more practical. I feel like I would get more wear out of the black. I can style the black a little more than a pink or a blue shirt, because typically with like pink or blue, it's like, oh, I wore this on Instagram once, can't really bring it back out because it's blue and it says Skims all over it. But something like a black tee, you can wear black tee all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this style video. I decided to style this time. You guys have been wanting to see more fashion. My daughter is writing on the wall. I can literally hear her writing on our wall in the other room. I need to hurry up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this styling video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I did start a new TikTok. It's jdevinci is my TikTok handle. I will be doing a ton of styling videos over there. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I did just get some new stuff from her cotton collection. And like I said, that t-shirt video is definitely coming up. Sorry that it's taken so long. I just keep ordering new t-shirts. Oh yeah, talk to you in my next video. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me.
They gon' be on an Ivy. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.